Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, 4th chapter geometry, exercise 4.2. Show that bisectors of angles of a parallelogram form a rectangle. So we have a parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. We are asked to show that the bisectors of the angles of a parallelogram. So bisector of angle B, bisector of angle C and bisector of angle D. So when we take the bisectors of this, let it be PQRS. So this PQRS forms a rectangle. That is the thing we are asked to prove. So that means one angle, if we say that it is 90 degree, or if the opposite pairs of the opposite sides, if the opposite sides are equal, then we can say that it is a rectangle. Okay. So first, what are all the things given? We will write. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. So we know the property of a parallelogram that adjacent sides are supplementary. So we will take one pair of adjacent side and prove the angle 90. That is angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degrees supplementary. Like that we will get all adjacent pairs when we find the sum, that is equal to 180 degree. So with the help of this one pair, similarly we can say the other pairs also. So one thing we are going to prove, that is angle A plus angle D is 180 degree. So these are all the things given to prove PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. So this is the thing we are asked to prove. So proof is, so from this angle A plus angle D we will take angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So we will multiply throughout by 1 by 2. So when we multiply throughout by 1 by 2, we will get half of angle A plus half of angle D is equal to 180 by 2. So we will get half of angle A plus half of angle D is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So half of these two angles, that is, this is full angle. Okay. Angle A plus angle D is 180 degree. Half of these angles will be equal to, when we find the sum of half of these angles, that will be equal to 90 degree. So we will take angle PAD. Angle PAD plus angle ADP. ADP. So this is half of A. Half of angle A is PAD. This part alone we will get PAD, and half of angle D is, we will take it as ADP. This part alone we will get. So that is equal to 90 degree. That is, when we find the sum of these two angles, it will be equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then APD is a triangle. Okay. So in triangle APD, we got the sum of these two angles as 90 degree. So obviously the other pair will be 90 degree. Other pair, not other pair, other side of the angle will be, other side of the triangle will be 90 degree. So that is in triangle APD, we can write this as PAD plus angle ADP plus angle DPA. So all these things will make 180 degree, that is angle sum property of a triangle. So we have proved PAD and ADP is 90 degree. So we will substitute that here, plus angle DPA is equal to 180 degree. So we will get angle DPA as 180 minus 90, that is equal to 90 degree. So we got angle DPA. So this angle we got it as 90 degree. Okay. Since this angle we got it as 90 degree, the opposite for that, opposite angle, that is, we will get our vertically opposite angles. So that angle will also be 90 degree. That angle will also be 90 degree. That is, angle DPA is equal to angle SPQ. That is vertically opposite angles. So these two are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So SPQ is also equal to 90 degree. So one angle of so we get a quadrilateral here. PQRS is a quadrilateral. In that quadrilateral, we have proved that one angle is 90 degree. So the same procedure if we take, that is D and C or supplementary angle if we take, the same procedure we can get that PSR, angle PSR is 90 degree. Similarly, SRQ and RQP, all angles we will get it as 90 degree. Similarly, we can say angle PSR is equal to angle SRQ is equal to angle RQP is equal to 90 degree. So all the angles, we proved that it is 90 degree. All the angles are 90 degree we have proved. So PQRS, so opposite angles. The one condition for the parallelogram is supplementary angles. Adjacent angles will be supplementary. That is, when we find the sum of these two angles, now we proved that all these angles, all these interior angles of this quadrilateral is 90 degree. So when we find the sum of these two adjacent angles, it is supplementary. Okay, that is angle P and angle S. If we add it, it will be, they are adjacent angles. If we find the sum of the adjacent angles, it will be equal to 180 degree. So it forms a parallelogram. So PQRS forms a parallelogram. Opposite adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. That is angle SPQ plus angle PSR is equal to 90 plus 90, that is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. So other than this, opposite angles are also equal to 90 degree. Opposite angles are equal. So we got PQRS as a parallelogram. So a parallelogram with one angle 90 degree forms a rectangle. Therefore, a parallelogram with one angle as 90 degree is a rectangle. So we are asked to prove that the bisectors of angles of a parallelogram form a rectangle. Therefore, PQRS is a rectangle. PQRS is a rectangle. So this is the thing we are asked to prove. So we have proved that. Okay.